Hey Raiders, it's Monday, May 11th, and it's Motivation Monday. So I want to start by sharing a quote that I know I posted it on Instagram earlier, but I just thought I'd share it with you to kind of, start the week off by making you think. So here's the quote. And it's one of those sayings that's on a board that, you order and you put on the wall. I don't normally buy those things. But this one, when I saw the quote, it was just something I wanted to have, just to remind me of the spirit of it. And it goes like this. I choose to live by choice, not by chance. To make changes, not excuses. To be motivated, not manipulated. To be useful, not used. To excel, not compete. I choose self-esteem, not self-pity. I choose to listen to my inner voice, not the random opinions of others. I thought that was good. There's a certain spirit around this quote that hints at being very proactive rather than reactive. See, we could go through life just reacting to things, but then that's not really determining or intending who you are. You're just reacting to things. But when we choose to be proactive, we can look at the situation and we choose to respond. That's different. So I love that. I love that quote. And as I put it in my Instagram post earlier, which just came to me, write your own story rather than cut and paste who others say you are. Write your own story. You determine who you are, not by reacting to things, but by stepping back, seeing the situation, naming whatever's happening, and then choosing to respond in ways that are healthier and better for you and who you want to be. And I also want to acknowledge that yes, yesterday was Mother's Day, and because I'm very sensitive to all the different realities out there, I want to share what I posted on my personal Facebook account. So this is my little nod. Hopefully, it may not encompass everyone, but I think you'll get the idea. Happy Mother's Day to all the women who mother in various ways. Mothers, stepmothers, adopted mothers, single mothers, grandmothers, aunts, neighbors, teachers, coaches, mothers of friends, colleagues, bosses, and nuns. A special blessing on those women who have lost children. To those women who never got to meet their children because of miscarriage. To those whose mothers are no longer living. To those whose mothers don't remember them or in the throes of Alzheimer's or dementia. To those women whose children want nothing to do with them. To those women who want to be mothers but can't because of circumstances or infertility. A special blessing on mothers separated from their children due to unjust immigration policies or due to family situations that keep children away from their mothers. A special blessing on those women and men who are watching their children die. A very special blessing to those whose mothers and families are filled with pain, dysfunction, and mental illness, which make a day like yesterday extra difficult. Life is not the same for everyone. There are a myriad of situations that are happening right now, some sad, some joyous. Therefore, celebrate the people in your life who do mother you and make you feel special. For without this experience, regardless if it's from a biological mother or not, this person has nurtured you in some way and has been a tangible expression of divine love for you. Happy Mother's Day to all the women and men out there who nurture and mother and look after and help others be better today than they were yesterday. So there are some thoughts for the Motivation Monday. Have a fabulous day, And if fabulous is kind of a reach, however you're feeling this morning, be gentle with yourself. Do what you can. Know you're loved. Know you're valued, despite what circumstances are. And I'll see you tomorrow. Stay Raider strong, everyone. Bye.